So today we will learn arithmetic operators in C. So first operator is plus, that is also called addition operator. Adds two operands. So this one is the right operand and this one is the left operand. So it will make the sum of these two operand. So in this arithmetic operators demo, we are taking the a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5 for all these operators. Okay, so what will happen in our example, that is a means 10 and b is, that is 5. So 10 plus 5, that is 15. The next one is subtract, or also can be said that is subtraction. Subtract the second operand from the first. So this one is the second, then this one is the first. So second will be subtracted from first, that is a minus b. 10 minus 5, that is 5. The next one is multiplication. Multiply two operand. So in our case, a multiplied by b. So it will give us a result of a multiplication of a b, or we can say a multiplied by b, that is 10 multiplied by 5, that is 50. Then this one is the division. And divide the numerator by a denominator. So it will give the result of a division, that is a divided by b, that is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. The next one is a modulus, that is a remainder of a division. So if you want a remainder of a division, then we can use the modulus operator. So in our case, a modulus b is equal to 0. So how it is possible? That is 10 modulus 5 is equal to 0. So if we will divide 10 by 5, then there will a remainder as 0. Then plus plus, that is also called an increment operator. It will increase the value by 1. Increases the integer value by 1. So in our case, what will happen? A plus plus, then 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Then b plus plus, so b is having the value 5. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then minus minus, so it will decrement the value by 1. It is also called a decrement operator. Decreases integer value by 1. In our case, a minus minus, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. B minus minus, then b is having the value 5, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, so this is about the arithmetic operators. So let's took the example for a C language. We will create one new file. So here it is the comment. Then we will add the library file. So we will add another library file, that is onio.h. The next, our void main section. So first of all, we are taking the two operands, that is integer a and integer b. Okay, so now what will happen? We just want to make the sum of or multiplication of these two operand. So we can also assign the value in front of this operand, that is 10 and b is equal to 5. The next, we will print the sum of them. So first of all, we will write like addition of A plus B is equal to percentage D. The next our operand is A plus B. Okay. The next, if you want to store the result in another variable, then also we can do like that. So how it is possible? Like, so in this case, A minus B. So B will be subtracted from A and result will be stored inside the res variable. Now we will print this result of subtraction like this. Now we will print the variable res, that is result. Okay, so are you getting this point? That is, we can also store the result of in variable. Now we will print the multiplication. That is A multiplied by B. Next one is printf. Then division. A by B is equal to percentage D. Then A by B. Also we can use the plus plus and minus minus in this way only. So you can try by yourself. So here it is our program. The next we will save it. Now we will go for compile menu and we will do compilation process. Then we will go for run menu and we will run this. So we are getting the result, that is addition of A plus B is equal to 15, subtraction of A minus B is equal to 5, multiplication of A multiplied by B is equal to 50.